Hi everyone, we're looking at how to do the mean and the mad for a list of numbers or list of data. So for the mean, that's always the average. So to find the average, we just add up all these numbers and then we divide by how many there are. Make sure when you do your adding, you've got to make sure you do your adding first and then do your division. If you type it into your calculator like this, you're going to get the wrong answer. It's going to do your division first and then do the adding, which is wrong. You've got to add up all the numbers first, so use parentheses or just do your adding and then hit enter and then divide by how many there are. In this case, there's 10, which is why I divided by 10. When you do this, you get 51 divided by 10, which is 5.1. Now all we need to do is figure out the distances from each of these numbers to our mean. And then we're going to average those distances to find the mad. So the mad is the average distance from the mean. That's what the mad is. And it's always positive distance. We're never going to have any negative distances here, always positive distance. So from 5.1, we're going to figure out all these numbers, how far are they away from 5.1, then we're going to average those distances. So 7 would be 1.9 away, 5 would be 0.1 away, 4 would be 1.1 away, 9 would be 3.9 away, 1 would be 4.1 away, 5 would be 0.1 away, 7 would be 1.9 away, 2 would be 3.1 away, and 8 would be, let's see, that's 2.9 away, and 3 would be 2.1 away. Just by subtracting those distances there, now we're going to average those. So we're going to do 1.9 plus 0.1 plus 1.1 plus 3.9, etc. We're going to add these all up together. And then once we've got that, we're going to, again, divide by how many we have to get the average of the distances. So I got as a sum 21.2 as the sum of all the distances. Now if we divide that by 10, we get the mad. So the mad would be 2.12. Next example here, very similar. We're going to find the mean first. I already did that one ahead of time. The mean here is 4.7. So now we're going to find the distances from each of these numbers to 4.7, and then we're going to just find the average of those distances. So 3 would be 1.7 away, 6 would be 1.3 away, 2 would be 2.7 away, 3 is 1.7 away, 8 would be 3.3 away, 4 would be, this would be 2.3 away, 2 is 2.7, 5 would be 1.7, I'm sorry, 0.3, 8 would be 3.3, and 3 is 1.7. Now we're going to take all those distances and we're going to add them all together again. To find the average, we're going to find the total first. And then we're just going to take that total and we're going to divide it by how many we have, which again was 10. And we get a total of 21. So the mad is 21 divided by 10, which is 2.1. And that's how we calculate the mean and the mad for a list of numbers.